What's the most unusual thing that you can find in your fridge right now? If you were to go inside, go in and open the fridge, what's the most unusual thing we can find?
I freeze.
Let's freeze and hear what Grace is saying. You freeze what?
Don't judge me, guys. You can't judge.
Okay, ice when?
No, I freeze my avocado. And then
Don't judge.
No, don't judge me. It's very nice. You should try it. I suck on it when it's
Why do you
frozen.
freeze an avocado? Isn't avocado supposed to put kadi pampiri and then?
When it's like it is ripe and you cut it in half and I don't want to have it in the next couple of days, I freeze it. Then it's an alternative for ice cream. You should try it.